guys. I hope they take some time to enjoy this. I think we were the underdogs all year. I was heavily criticized for the first 2 months for being too small or too this or too that. And we never stopped fighting. I think we have a unique team of guys who lead in different ways. I think what Jaren did the last week, not just what people saw in the game, but what he did. And then same thing with Steph. I think they really led guys. And then you have a guy like Tucker who's not playing, but he's first to the gym. He's a special person, and I think that sets a tone for our group. And then after that, Migo and Due, it's all young players. And so these guys, I've tried to work hard to, find a way to make sure that we work really hard but enjoy the process. I'm a demanding coach and sometimes overly, and I make a lot of mistakes. There's no question about that. But these guys have, right from the start, they bought in and stayed the course. And here we are, the team that was too small. Now we're in the finals, and I think that's a special thing.
当然，教练目前不会想跟球员讲太多所谓到底要怎么去布防的事情，那他就是让球员先休息一下。当然提到说，我们球员的组成很特别，每个人用不同的方式去做领导。像比方说，当然杰伦跟希克他们在场上不断去做出贡献。那像那个塔克，他可能最近没有在上场的情况下，可是他非常的努力去练球的，在训练的过程中让大家看到说，即使我没有打，我还是必须要去做好这些球员该做的部分。那除了包含说像那个杨敬敏之外，还有李德威之外，其他都是属于年轻的球员，所以每个人还是尽可能在自己的角色上去做好。那当然，其实教练也提到说，我们的整个一开赛就是被人家不看好的情况下，最后可以晋级到所谓的总冠军赛，那确实是很不容易的一件事情。
I believe yes, this is my most memorable game because this is, like you said, the elimination game and playoffs. And I just want to leave everything out there on the floor. No matter the outcome, win or loss. I just want to let everybody know how hard I work. You know what I'm saying? So, and I leave blood, sweat, and tears out there every day. I've been working my butt off, not just before I came here. Years before just becoming a pro. This was a dream for me, and this is my second time professionally making it to the finals. So I think this is the most memorable because, like I say, it was a lot of negative things that was going on in my life prior to this, from the media and things just magnified in my life, So I think this was just to continue to keep that mentality, that grind, like a Kobe, No matter what people throw at you, what things that come at you, just continue to just keep your focus and just, and we just came out with the win right there. And I just want to, give it all to my teammates because when I was down, they continue to just keep me up, So I want to thank them.
当然，第一个问题的话，他是回答是说，当然确实是一场非常值得纪念的一场比赛，当然主要是一个背水一战的压力的情况之下。那简单来讲，他打球是希望每次能够100%全力在场上。当然，先前可能包含一些社群的一些影片的事情，对他造成一些攻击的一些伤害，但是对他来讲，他只是说我只要能够尽力全力去场上做好就好。
When I fouled out, I still have faith in my team. I just wanted to when I fouled out, Steph came up to me. I said, "Hey, Steph," I said, "Hey, man, this is your time. You have to step up and lead the team. I'm out now. It's your time. So I just tried to pass the torch to him and just continue to keep the guys going, just stay strong and just keep their spirits up. So. That was my way of just keeping my energy out there on the court, just continue to just be on the sideline cheering for my team and just have him just, help the team out at the end.
那球员提到说，那时候被那个饭碗下去的时候，他跟那个 Steph 讲说，现在换你来撑起这个球队，换你来带领他们，他对他们队友们还是非常有信心。